channel. This is Riddhi here and you are watching my winter special makeup tutorial using only 8 products.
It was the perfect time to demonstrate my favorite products that I use all the time and I can't do without.
So my first pick will always be my favorite concealer, which is not a concealer, it's a CC cream from Lakme. And for this you can apply it as a foundation as well to get a glow, instant glow on your face.
It really claims it, guys. You should try it once and you'll fall in love. If you don't like to use concealer and foundation अलग से, then आप ये Lakme CC cream के साथ जा सकते हो because you can apply it on your full face and plus under your eyes as well.
Just inner corners पे मैं लगा रही हूँ उसे and जहाँ जहाँ आपको pimples या acnes है आप वहाँ वहाँ उसे लगा सकते हो to hide it. So in winters आपको natural look ही रखना होता है, so you don't need to use any foundation just to maintain a natural skin. If you have anything extra you can apply it on your eyelids because हम वहाँ पे eye makeup करते हैं. So to make it pop हमें उसे लगाना होता है वहाँ पे.
As promised, I have taken up this challenge, guys. I don't know what's the next challenge for me, but yeah, I'll figure it out.
Yeah, सूज गया है. How can I hide it?
I'll take more concealer. It's because मुझे सुबह एक चींटी ने काट लिया.
In winters अपने हम इतने lazy हो जाते हैं मेकअप करने के लिए. That's why I've kept this like tutorial एकदम simple and sweet and short for you. So आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत ना करनी पड़े. And plus ये एक nude kind of makeup होने वाला है. Main thing is blush which I'll show you. So next हम apply करने वाले हैं the Maybelline Teddy Tint lipstick and cheek tint. Its bottle is really amazing, guys. Even the fragrance is really amazing. Feels like, yeah, it's a strawberry kind of fragrance. I feel like having it. Just until your eyebrows आपको उसको लगाना है. You can spread it with your fingers itself. You don't need any separate brush. So it's a 2-in-1 combo. If you want affordable lipstick and cheek tint, then this is the one you can go for. And if by mistake आप अपने cheek tint को कहीं cheeks के अलावा कहीं और लग जाता है, then what you can do is take the concealer, then apply it in the shape of a bronzer. In inner corners and outer corners पे भी आप लगा सकते हो. Again, just spread it nicely with the sponge. So जो भी extra cheek tint कहीं भी लग गया है वो छुप जाएगा with the help of the concealer. Just वही direction में जाना. Now I'm using the Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light 15 from Maybelline.
Powder kind of mattifies everything and gives you a natural look after all those products that you have applied.
But there is a chance that जो cream blush हम लगाते हैं वो कहीं hide ना हो जाए. इसके लिए हम लोग last में भी will apply a powder blush to maintain it throughout the day. Now I'm using the Mars Ice Can Kill eyeshadow palette which has 65 shades. Here are the shades. OMG. But today I'm going to use only the brown ones, you know. So I'm taking the brown shade, light brown shade first, just to make a base, and cut it near your eye crease. Just thoda eyebrow bone pe I'm highlighting the brown shade. Now you can use this color and fill it on your eyelids. Just to give that dark effect, you know. Can you see the difference, guys? I'm not bringing it out at all. Just my eyelids पे ही रखने वाली हूँ उसे. My eyes are highlighted now. Let's apply a brown shimmer. You can see a little bit of shimmer is required, you know. I'm going to use this copper shade, copper or brown, whatever you can say. Just little bit on the middle.
This eyeshadow is really pigmented, so be careful of taking a lot of eyeshadow on your brush or finger. प्लस आप इसके अंदर से अपने लिप लाइनर भी लगा सकते हो एंड यू कैन यूज द ब्लश फ्रॉम दिस, द पाउडर ब्लश.
How many more benefits do you want from one eyeshadow palette, guys? Just grab this one and you will be saved for next 3 to 5 year, I feel. बहुत सारा भाषण हो चुका है, so let's get back to our products. I'm using the fourth product now, which is a K Beauty mascara. I really love this mascara, guys. ये easily निकल भी जाता है. You don't need to do anything extra for this. While जो मैं पिछले videos में लगा रही थी, that was from Maybelline Sky High. I didn't like it that much because उसका after part is very much difficult for me. Because since ये वाले look में हम लोग लाइनर नहीं लगाने वाले हैं, so you need a lot of mascara and lower lash पे लगाना मत भूलना. आज मैं थोड़ा लेट शूट कर रही हूँ, इसलिए the background noise is so much, so sorry for that, guys. So I'm applying a lip liner from my eyeshadow palette itself, brown color.
I'm going to need a thin brush, absolutely thin brush. इसमें पिंक कलर लगा हुआ है, but I hope it doesn't get on my lips.
Let's apply the nude lipstick from L'Oreal Paris. I've been using it all the time now. It has a chocolate fragrance, you can say. Plus it has a tip that is bent a little bit so that you can just glide it smoothly on your lips. So that's why I love this lipstick so much. Applying the powder blush, just taking the lightest shade, this much, and applying it on both the sides so that it stays for whole time. But this much blush is required, right? वरना winter vibes कहाँ से आएंगे? ये हम लोग कॉन्टोर नहीं यूज करने वाले हैं एंड जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ हाइलाइटर विच इज फ्रॉम मार्स.
कॉन्टोर एंड डुओ, कॉन्टोर एंड जान तो मैं नहीं बोलती. हाइलाइटर है,
काइंड ऑफ अ क्रीम हाइलाइटर ओनली. मैंने अपने फिंगर पे ही ले लिया है सो दैट आई कैन अप्लाई इट क्विकली.
सो आज मैंने एक ब्यूटीफुल विंटर कॉर्ड सेट पहना है which has a different sleeves pattern.
एंड अगर आपको कोई विंटर वेकेशन पे आप लोग जा रहे हो, यू कैन वेयर दिस कॉर्ड सेट विदाउट एनी डाउट. सो ये वाला आउटफिट भी मैं लिंक कर दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में, सो यू गाइस कैन चेक इट आउट. जस्ट जल्दी से ब्लेंड कर लेती हूँ एंड आई थिंक आई एम डन. द 8th product that I'm using, the last one, is the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Actually I wanted to buy a setting spray but गलती से मैंने makeup fixer buy कर लिया. But never mind, it's working really good for me. It keeps my makeup in place throughout the day. Since मेरा जो top है वो turtle neck वाला है, I'm going to make a nice sleek bun, high bun. You don't need to comb it at all. आपको जैसे करना है वैसे कर सकते हो. Just मैं तो एक messy bun हमेशा बना लेती हूँ and that's how it looks. It's instant. And कोई भी एक normal serum से आप अपने hair, जो baby hair है जो दिख रहे हैं, you can hide them. This is how you achieve a sleek bun look for winters. So this is my final look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed my today's quick and challenging winter makeup tutorial using only 8 products. And if you did, then do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more such makeup tutorials which are coming your way soon.